Guys, so this video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair, and I'm just running the flat iron through it. This is their bob wig. It has a there's a 12-inch bob wig, and as with all bob wigs, you know, it's short at the back and then it gets longer towards the front. This is their Brazilian hair, but this is extremely light, you guys. Like, this is light. I don't know what it is, but these wigs are full. Like, this wig is full, but it is extremely light. Wow. So this is a makeup tutorial, but this video is sponsored by Lacefrontal. Now, I should tell you guys, I said it in the voiceover, but let me say it again here, just in case you're one of those people who just watch like a minute and then comment down below. How I would normally adhere this wig, I didn't. I just adhered it with some got to be, because this is how I wear my bob wigs. I don't do like a comb over or whatever. I want to maintain the integrity of the style. So look at that. It's just so nicely cut. It is gorgeous. Now the only thing is, my hair, you're going to see in the video, is natural underneath and it's like poking up at the top. This is what I would want, for it to come down like that at the top. See that? That's exactly what I would want, but my hair won't allow, because my hair is thick underneath it. Yeah, so this is the intro. Again, this is from Klaiyi Hair, pre-made wig, and I love this fullness and also how light it is. I love that. I love that, Klaiyi. I love how light it is. But anyway, this is the intro of the video, and please do enjoy. And oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys, I am going to be showing you guys how the hair came, and how I actually adhere this to my head. So this is it for this intro, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Hi guys, so this video is going to be like a full glam type video. I did get my nails done. Cassie nailed it on Instagram. She did an amazing job. She did an amazing job. So today is sponsored by Klaiyi Hair. This is the package it came in. It's actually a wig, and also on the back it has a how to apply zine. I'm speaking softly because Jelly is sleeping. That's my 5-month-old. And here is just some more info on Klaiyi Hair. So it's a wig, thank God. That's what it looks like, and it's their Brazilian hair. Okay, let me unbox it with you guys. All right. Oh, we kept, thank God. Okay, wow, it's a good amount of stuff. Okay, so we have a wig cap, which I'm going to be putting on. We have a return policy and registration card. We have some hooks for your wig to adjust if needs be, and a satin scarf. Okay, Klaiyi. Oh, I see you. A satin scarf. I've never gotten one of these before, ever. So that, good job. And this additional hook for the wig. So this is what the wig comes in, and this is why we're here. I'm sorry, I'm unboxing this so slowly. This unboxing will be going in real time. So let me just pull that, take the wig out, and let me go ahead and look. And it comes with the middle part there, and this is what it's looking like. Oh, it's a bob. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead and just cut the lace off. So I have on the stocking cap now from the pack, but look, my hair is puffy at the top, so I'm trying to, you know, like spread it out so it's a little bit flat. Then I'm going to put the wig on. I actually adjusted the bra strap as I would usually do. So I'm going to put it on. I need this to go down like that. This is so cute. Let me turn the fan off. This is really, really cute. Yeah, this is cute. Wow, and it's really soft. It's so cute. Okay, so did not do anything to the lace. Got all. Let me try. I don't feel like this is centered. Is it? Okay, it looks centered-ish. So let me try. Alright guys, so lately I've been using only my Got2b glue freeze spray to adhere my wigs. It's simple, it's easy, and it actually works. So that's what I use to adhere, well, that's what I am using to adhere my wig. But if you look at my wig, you see that I did not even, I would normally do my foundation on the lace, you know, so it looks more like skin, or bleach the knots. I did not do none of those today, and that's because I wanted it to just, because of how I wear this wig, the bob wig, I didn't feel the need to do all of that because of how I wear the wig. Now if I was doing like a style, like putting a top in one or something like that, then I would definitely go ahead, pluck it, color it, or use my foundation on it. I'll do all of that so that it looks more like skin, but I'm not doing none of that today, so I decided to just adhere it with the Got2b freeze spray. So that being said, the foundation, I mean the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is from YKmucu Cosmetics. I'll be using their Chat Pato palette and their Irie palette. Those are both Jamaican owned makeup palettes, you guys. Please go ahead and show them your support, and again please go ahead and show Klaiyi here your support as well. What else I want to say? The lashes are from my own lash line, my 6D collection, and those from Pump by Lyric. You can go on their Instagram page and check those out. What else? Foundation. I mixed my foundation today. I used one as like a primer and the other one as like a foundation on top. If you hear Jalil crying, Jermaine has him while I'm doing this voiceover, but because he's crying now, I feel like I have to get up. So please go ahead and enjoy the video, you guys. Again, check out Klaiyi here, YKmucu Cosmetics, and of course my line Pump by Lyric. What else did I use in this video? That's all I used. Oh, and Juvia's Place. Oh, and I use a Kylie lip gloss called Like. Okay, Jermaine is handling it. Okie dokie.
God bless. My boy DJ. I'm gonna say that one straight out of stream out of studio. Don't know the thing though. I'm gonna say slowly but surely. Lord will come through. You don't know the thing though. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, I make the believe ya. Got the block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back and neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me caliber. You a leader, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper with my sneaker, me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pan amnesia. Devil have to run like same is a pack of zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager, no hurry neither. Man a Solomon a coulda want to Shiva. But surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me Jesus. Him never feel not a one fox. Satan him cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help, God me contact. Walk by faith, so me don't want no contact. And me say the most I send him son fi die for me, so me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio, I lay down a one track. Me stay on track like a arm track. Slowly but surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Right I know what me feel for, and no reefer. Scripture what depend on leaf ya, make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the street. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come and a preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can libra. You a libra, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Tell them. God bless. I'm somebody I will have nothing too serious. Yeah. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. So you like tell people lie. If you can't accommodate evil guy. It's easier for you see a vehicle fly. Or see a camel go through the eagle eye. I know the youths are the future, so build them. No matter try sell them, you build them. And you are call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you not touch no little children. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord feel live in there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. I'll kick out you man, me ask you wake him there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit, you feel be up on the limb there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Don't accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Call yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You don't go a hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. You can't come and eyebrow, you a free me son. That fishy just like the CBS son. You a walk around with a mask by your face like what you try to be son. You can't eyebrow free me son. That fishy like the CBS son. You a walk around with a mask by your face like Jason. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. I was still not change unless some money I will close. Listen. I can tell them something. Hunger team we change. Boy, how we money how we close. Now bleach with face and we now bow with nose. Now go show off can we dip on a couple shows. And we dip on a post and we stand up and we oppose. We change, boy, we money how we close. Now bleach with face and we now bow with nose. Now drop with standard, me now walk with from God. They must say they are mad, because check me now. Me not change and me now go evolve. On this axis I'll always revolve. Anything me I do, me make sure God is involved. So me not fear worry, me problem will solve. Hey, coming like some brother brain a dissolve. Them have a simple problem and they can't resolve. Cause he coming like say them sick in a they made. Them a try to hold a maid and they made of a valve. But We don't go change, we money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off cause we dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and we a pose. We change, we hold we money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now drop we standard, we now walk we from God. You must say damn man, Jaja check it. Hey, show me your direction. When me reach up at the intersection, me can't base on my imperfection. Me a go need you to make my correction, because me don't want lose the connection. Jah you show me love and affection. You want me guidance and my protection. I wanna be a true reflection. Can't tell them say I believe that the Most High die, and I believe in all your resurrection. And me know say you not go segregate yourself from me regardless of me complexion, or regardless of the time when me never have a dime to throw in a the collection. Please, and you don't eat, you all love me straight. I can say that I'm a blessed man. So me change, oh, me money and me clothes. Now bleach me face and me now bow me nose. Now go show off cause me dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and me a pose. Me change, me money and me clothes. Now bleach me face and me now bow me nose. Now drop me standard, me now walk away from God. You must say they are mad, because me tell them say me now change and me now go evolve. Pon the success I'll always revolve. Anything me a do, me make sure God is involved. Me now fear worry, me problem will solve. Hey, he coming like some brother brain a dissolve. Them have a simple problem, it's like they can't resolve. Hey, he coming like say them sick in a them head. Them a try to hold a made, them head have a valve, but we change. We money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off cause we dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and we a pose. We change, we money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now drop we standard, we now walk we from God. You must say they're mad, me say we tell them we change. Oh, we money and we clothes. Now bleach we face and we now bow we nose. Now go show off cause we dip on a couple shows. Dip on a couple posters stand up and we a pose. We change, boy, money and we clothes. Now go show off, now bow we nose. We dip on a couple shows. Stand up and we a pose. We change, boy, money and we clothes. Now bleach we face, now bow we nose. God bless. Just a little demonstration. Hey, assassin, you don't know we run a demonstration. Welcome for cause devastation. Versatile assassin, D.I.J. Mr. Me God like Superman, stronger than a group of man. 2 o'clock me and God alone, I walk through come on. Even when them a war and them just shoot a man. Hey, them a feel I wonder what happened to the youth of man. Lord bless me more, power more like Shabba. Protect me host from thief and robber. Oh Jesus, me thank you for my mother who make me stay true to me roots like Baba. Oh Jesus, me don't know say my God. Show me friend who pretend to be my brother, but them a wolf in a sheep clothes and a backstabber. Sit down for me name and a lover. Protect me head when time me come out. Don't make me go on the ranks and let me turn out. And the land the whole heap of things for whole heap of people, and them a go like them now have no mouth. Me never get burn out, I run out. When me stack up and me pack up and me no run out. And even if me and the last team up to play cricket, me don't know it now go make me run out. Thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. Holy heap of blessing you send down for me. Thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. When me broke you make money and run for me. I told the rain a fall hard. Hey the Father we shelter him make we dry. Yes, and the love of the Father are just the greatest. Yes, so we have to testify. 16 bars is not enough to talk about your love, but that's all me have, so make me try. Tell me everything. If me sick him and me medicine him, give me ring and make me fly. That's why we say we love the Almighty, we no doubt that. And the blessings we coulda never do without that. Go tell it on the mountain, we a promote that. Up on the top of we voice we show that. But enough of them a go on like them, no know say Jah bless them. Them forget them and we make them, but I can't bet them. We remember when them in arms, house and trouble, take them a show. Thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. Holy heap of blessing you send down for me. Thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. When me broke you make money and run for me. You me tell them say Jesus I'm me Lord and Father. Me love it when me a fast down for me Lord and Maga. Him give me strength like me phone when it a charge and charger. Devil test and me sink him like over Morgan Zaba. Cause anything me want me asking for me Lord and Father. Me go pa me knees and me can me hard and harder. Because me know say the Lord him can walk on water. Same man who John baptized in a Jordan water. So all I wanna like we, all I wanna fight with. No some retarded by the Almighty. Cause we no care, we no fear when them team up with Satan for spite me. Don't you know, we no afraid of the serpent. Through the valley of the shadow of death. We no afraid of the pestilence. Cause we Father the omnipotent, omnipresent and the omniscient. Yeah, thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. Holy heap of blessing you send down for me. Thank you Jesus for all what you done for me. When me lonely you want keep me company. You make them crucify your son for me. When me God bless the boy DJ. I mean I say it's all about long suffering. No, you what? Have faith and wait. Hear me know. Want me say Christmas come but only once a year. But the age I wait on the 25th. And you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night. And the boss go fire me that can't be right. The landlord want fear rent by tonight. Me want food for bite and me not even have money can't afford for bite. God knows say me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food no in the house. Baby a ball and me can't take the separation. Some work and say me a go try it, but me a feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad mind they just forget a over hype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft we broke a fight. I know say me just a hold on. Even though me they have from all long. Me know say you dead the Lord and you don't gone. So me now get vexed and I stand up a fall on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and it no soft, but the Lord of mine rather than me staff. Weeping me know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bus. No me nah go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually me a go wait cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good me nose off the run. And me really nah go make my mother go. So me just a wait. Me want to look on every gate and even the him garments I wanna tote. So me nah worry, no in a no hurry. Me nah run like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah, man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Hear me a say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a be a lamb. We know this so be a God, we know be a lamb. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear run, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. And no man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who care the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel love the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a flask in a one party with a cars in my peer stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over how I do away with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. Car and a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the inna the del. If I never David, I would the Bible. You say me what day with a would a AK with a banana clip. I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me a travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Found me that make blood a run like Dungeon. Never Malachi. My ties, me woulda have a buy shoes and clothes and a eye boat, me swagger fly. But if me don't show me one thing, you see like how a criminal a rob a guy. So me rob the other night and another sanctify. Rob up the offering and a lie me with a dirty like in the August tie. Me wouldn't want to give God a try. If you save and a try, save me no bother try. If I never Jesus things with a sticky like beeswax, me wouldn't read Matthew Mark, wouldn't read Acts. Now go a hell that 100 degrees max. Deal with the devil dread like Bob Marley's locks. Satan salt like him get a sea breeze box. I salt like me daughter Destiny snacks. Devil want me go mad and a freeze box. Funeral I keep so me get rid of these glocks. You want the Lord see me on say see Jobia. When nothing nah go on me nah go walk Obia. Me nah come off of the road because me don't have no uranophobia. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them.